up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video, y'all. These crochet braids are giving me so much life. Oh my goodness, I'm absolutely love. I don't know if it's the color, I don't know if it's the curl pattern. Like, I just think everything about it is just so good. I'm always messing up my grading. First of all, thank you so much for clicking on this video. For anyone that is not subscribed, that is new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you came to join the party. In this video, I'm going to be showing you some crochet braids that I do have in this hair that I have in right now. This is my first time working with this company. This hair is from Main Concept. So y'all know how I am. I just pretty much just give you a review on the hair. Sometimes I do show installs. I will not have an install on this particular video, but I just want to give you some do's and don'ts when it comes to working with different type of crochet hairs. So I figured this would be the perfect video to show you some of the do's and don'ts of wearing certain crochet hairs, especially when you get into going from curly to straight, or going from like a wave to where it's not as curly as I normally would wear my actual crochet braids. The hair that I am wearing is by Main Concept. It is the 2X Bounce Wave Caribbean. This one is in the Motion Wave 18-inch. I am absolutely in love with the actual wave of this hair. So this is the Motion Wave, and I do have it in the color T1B/30. They sent me 7 packs of hair, but I only used 2.5 packs. So I do have half of that 3rd pack still that I didn't use, and I actually have a little bit of the actual other half of that pack still too, but it's only a couple strands. So I would just say pretty much 2.5 packs would be actually perfect if you're going for the actual luster and the thickness that I have. As you can see, it's not that thick, and I like it like that because with me, I'm in Florida, it's always hot. And I don't want to wear too much hair on my head. I like the versatility of crochet braids and how it gives your scalp enough room to breathe. So that's the reason why I don't really put a lot of hair in my head usually when I do my crochet. So I'm one of those type of girls that I try to do at least 4 packs and under. You will never really see me put 7 packs of hair in my head. I don't really know how people do it, but that's not what I do over here. So I'm going to show you exactly what the hair looks like in the pack. This hair is very easy to separate. Now, one thing that I did notice about this hair as well is this hair is very silky. So it's not like the texture of the hair isn't like the curly texture hairs. It is very silky. And I want to say it's a silk that has like a kinky straight type of feel to it. The hair isn't soft, but it is soft for the actual, it's hard to describe how it feels when you can't feel it through the screen, but I have like a nice luster on it. So I absolutely love that. And to me, it gives it a better hold when it's like this, because as you can see, I'm not really getting any tangles and the hair isn't getting stuck together. I can pretty much just run my hands through it. What I am getting though is a little bit of strands that are coming out, and that's because I didn't tie my knots enough. This is what the hair looks like coming out of the pack. As you can see, I'm showing you up on the screen now, you are able to actually just pull this hair apart so easily. Actually, it already comes in certain sections, which I love so much. But even if it didn't come in any sections, you guys, this hair is so easy for you to pull apart. Like, it's literally so easy and so simple. It actually made doing this style a lot more easier for me to manage. Now it does, some of the strings will get caught together and it may be stringy, but that's because it's a wave texture hair. You just want to make sure that you pay attention to how you actually separate the hair. But it is easy to separate, and all you have to do, if the curl come a little unraveled, all you have to do is run your hands through it and you will be back to normal. My do's and don'ts of the crochet. So with this type of style, usually with crochet braids, I usually do about 8 to 10 braids in the front and then half of that in the back. So if I have 8 braids in the front, I usually have 4 braids in the back. With this style, I do have 10 braids in the front, so that means I have 5 braids in the back. So those 10 braids, 2 are joining a bigger braid in the back. It took me 2 hours to do this style, but with this style, I definitely think you want to go for the route where you're taking smaller pieces of hair and putting it in your head. And I say that to say, because this hair isn't curly, it's very visible to see your knots. And because it's very visible to see your knots, although this hair isn't even curly, well, this hair isn't curly and it's not black either, so it's very visible with the color that it is. Definitely want to take smaller pieces, because when you take smaller pieces and you tie the knots won't be so visible. And I'm telling you this because this is what I'm experiencing now, and I did a trial and run with this type of hair because I'm not used to wearing this type of hair, and what I'm used to is doing a quick 2-hour crochet look and I be done. So I did do 2.5 hours on this, but I'm thinking that this style may take about 4 hours, only because you're gonna have to use smaller pieces, and I'm gonna show you why you need smaller pieces. As you can see, like, you can see my knots. You see how you can like literally see, and I did a trial and run right here to see if I did the invisible part method, how would it look. So that's another option too. You can do the invisible part method, or you can just tie it along the braids and leave them like such. It just depends on you and what you want to do. But as you can see the knots. They're very visible because I use big chunks of hair. So that's just something that you want to try to avoid to make it look more natural. But I mean, even if you were to rock it like this, I still think it looks cute. I still think it looks great, actually. Especially for it to be a protective style that you did by yourself for free. Another do and don't that you want to take into consideration too. So when you're playing around with the colors, now with this color, it does say that it's a TB1B/30. I guess what I was expecting was it to be an actual ombre from black to 30, but it looks like with this they mixed in the 1B and the 30 up here, and then down here is all the way 30. So as you can see up here, of course my hair is black. Up here it's not blending in as seamlessly as I would like, and I have a trick for that. Now I didn't go ahead and do it because I kind of like it like this. I would rock it like this, but I'm just giving you another option just in case you wanted to make it look more natural, because that's literally what we're going for, a natural protective look. I would grab some black spray, and I'm going to insert this in here. You could buy this spray from any local beauty supply store. I don't know if Walmart, Target, or anyone like that sell it, but even if they did, you can definitely go to the hair store and pick this hairspray up. And what this hairspray does is you can pretty much get it in any color too. I have mine in a standard black, and you can literally just take it and just spray it to on your parting area up here to blend it in with your actual natural hair. That's usually something I would do. Now with this hair, I did have like some stringy pieces on the ends. I did go ahead and cut that off. As I'm running my hands through the hair, because I use such big chunks and I didn't do smaller chunks, I am getting some shedding. And I definitely think that's because when you don't tie the hair, if you run your hands through it, of course the hair is going to come out, and that's what I'm experiencing here when I run my hands through it. This style for a nighttime routine. Now, nighttime routine, when I usually do a style like this, I would usually just put my bonnet on. You want to make sure before you go to bed that you have a little bit more time to twist this hair up. Now, I would do about 4 to 6 big twists, and then I would go ahead and put it up into the ponytail, because that's going to help keep the wave of this actual hair. So that's definitely something that I would do before bed, because I know normally, baby, I just put that stocking cap on and go. So you just want to make sure that you're keeping up with this actual curl pattern and this texture, so that you won't have too much tangling and too much shedding, and you know, you just want to make sure that you're good all around. I'm not sure how much this hair is, but I will pop it up on the screen, and I will put down in the comment section below all the information that you would like to purchase this hair. I'm also going to put some of my other crochet braid videos down in the description box as well, so that you can see if you would like to see an install on how I install hair. I definitely have one. I definitely have one. I definitely have many, girl. What? Welcome to the crochet gang. I have a lot of different crochet videos that show you how to install the hair. That's why I didn't really want to bore y'all too much or talk too much, because I already know that I have a video on how to install crochet hair. So I just wanted to come and give y'all a quick review, give y'all another style to rock. Not sure what this hair would be like if you wash it. Y'all already know I don't keep my styles in past 4 weeks. So when I have my hair braided down, 4 weeks is the max. So this style would last me 3 to 4 weeks if the curl keeps up. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Y'all, I literally almost forgot. I will be doing a giveaway with this hair. I have 4 more packs and a half. I'm not gonna give you the half part, but I do have 4 packs of hair. Maybe I will put the half part in there because I'm not gonna use it. So I have 4 packs of hair that I will be giving away. You guys do not want to miss my giveaways. I kind of have a lot of giveaways coming up. Sorry to all my international supporters. Right now I don't have a giveaway for international, but anyone that's in the US, this giveaway will be available to you. I'm going to put all of the information down in the description box below. I know some people skip past the description box and I really like to read, and that's the reason why I kind of want to put it there to make y'all, hold y'all accountable to be resourceful, you know? So with that being said, all the information for the giveaway will be in the description box, so make sure you check that out. Good luck to all the ladies. If you're not lucky with this one, trust me, I have plenty more coming. I actually have another video for main concept that I will be recording, so that's going to be a giveaway as well. So definitely make sure you stick around for that.